But what I see a lot of business owners make the mistake is where they say, "Oh, Facebook ads don't work. I tested one audience with one ad graphic." And you made a great point about you have
Mm.
to be testing more ad graphics. Like there you have to. And you can't just you can't test one format with one ad with one everything. It comes down to really testing all these different ad creatives because you never know how your audience is going to react. If you're targeting a million people with one ad, you can't expect them all to react the same way. It's just not going to happen. You never
Yep.
know. One audience may love this particular ad and another audience may love this another particular ad, and you have to test it and give Facebook all the information possible. The more
Yep.
information you give to Facebook, the better your ads will perform. So I always recommend targeting minimum 3 audiences with 3 ad graphics, like in each ad set, because like you can't expect a Facebook ad to run effectively with one audience and one ad graphic. It's not realistic at that point.